Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the country from the App Store. So let's get started. First of all, open the App Store on your phone and tap the profile picture at the top. Make sure you are signing, then tap on your name or Apple ID. It may ask for Face ID or your password to verify. Then once you are in account settings, look for the option that says country region and tap on it. Now select the country you want to switch to. For example, I will choose another country from the selecting country there. I can simply tap the change country or region and choose any country like Canada. There, Canada. After selecting the country, tap agree to confirm. You will now need to enter a valid address of a country. Fill in the street name, city, postal code and phone number. Once you've entered all the details, tap next to save the changes. If you are switching countries to download a specific app, you may also need a VPN. Even if the app appears in your new app store, you might not be able to download it without changing your phone's location using a VPN. That's it. Hope this helps. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you next time.